Get home, yeah, I received this huge package, you know. It's as big as this. Alright, this package is from eBay, which I have been waited for a month. Okay, so let's open it. I think some of you guys know what I want. I mean, like what I did order online. Super huge. I think I ordered it on Christmas. Yeah, then because of the snow in the States, it was delayed. So luckily, it came today. You know, and thanks to my wife, you know, she helped me out. So I take a look at the amount of wrappers down here. What's a 14-inch BURLY brand narrow hips in black. And this is awesome. Alright, thank you for watching my unboxing, and there will be more coming soon. Okay, I know you guys want to see what color is it, right? So it's gloss freaking black, man. Gloss black. And the instruction manual is here. Okay, so as you can see, right, this BURLY brand narrow hips, 14-inch, originate from the States. This is good stuff here. And I'm so excited. If you guys ever wonder what bike I'm riding a 2015 XLC XL1200C custom. Okay, it's not a 48, it's not anything, it's just a normal Sportster bike. But it's okay, I like it. Which I plan to do a couple of mods here and there. So this is how the bars look. Okay, this is how the bars look. Alright. I think the manual instruction is here. I don't even want to take it out first. Okay, so far it's good. Everything is perfect. Right? So I can put all the wiring kit inside here. Come out here. Right, the most important thing is that to have the nails on these bars so that it wouldn't flip. It wouldn't move forward or backwards when you're riding it. So man.